Hi, I'm Phil, co-founder of Cybersecurity Hub and AttackForge. Welcome to Tutorial 8. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage your remediation testing better and how to automatically track it using AttackForge. Retesting is performed after a penetration test has been completed and after the developers or engineers have had a chance to try and fix the issues. Once the issues are fixed, the pen tester needs to verify this and also communicate the findings of the retest back to the team. And this can be a challenging process, especially when retest can happen many months after a pen test was first conducted, and when it needs to be performed by a different pen tester. AttackForge can help with these challenges, and I'm going to show you how. As an example, I've already conducted a pen test. There are 26 vulnerabilities discovered. As a developer, I've already looked at these issues and started to put some fixes in place. So I'm going to mark these vulnerabilities as ready for retesting. I can mark multiple like so. Now that my vulnerabilities are ready to retest, I'm going to notify the pen testers. I can do this by clicking on Retesting from the project menu. And then by selecting Request Retest. This will send an email to the pen testers, informing them that the selected issues are ready for retesting. As you can see, there is a tracking history of my request. Now, as a pen tester, I can review these issues by clicking on their names and viewing the details. As I complete my retesting, I can close off the issues if they've been fixed, or I can set them back to not ready for retesting if they're not fixed. As an example, I'm going to close off this issue. Now for the next one, I'm going to set this one to not ready for retesting because it hasn't been fixed. I'm also going to add a remediation note to tell them why. And now if I had the screenshot, I can go ahead and upload that. As you can see, all the notes and changes are recorded in the audit trail. Now I'm going to inform the project team that retesting is completed. I can do this by selecting Retesting from the project menu. But this time, I'm going to select Confirm Retest Completed. This will send an email to everyone on the project informing them that retesting is now completed. There's also a tracking history of completing this request. Now if I go to download the report, you'll see that all the retesting events have been recorded. As I scroll down to past the executive summary to the testing summary section, you can see that there's some information there showing how many assets have been fixed and how many are still being retested. You can also see the audit trail of when the retesting was requested and also when it was completed and by whom. If we scroll a bit further down, we now have a summary of which issues have actually been fixed and which ones haven't been. And if we scroll a bit further down, we'll see that the full audit trail for retesting is now included in the remediation notes section for every single vulnerability, as well as the screenshots. If another round of retesting is required, it's no problem. Another request can be raised, tracked, and actioned using the same process we just did. So there you have it. Retesting is easy to manage in AttackForge. Let us know what you think in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for updates.